Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the economics of owning an apartment complex, using a simple step-by-step example to understand how income, expenses, debt, cash flow, and long-term wealth work together. First, the owner needs to acquire the property. This means buying the apartment complex using cash, financing, or a combination of both. In this example, the purchase price is $5 million. At this stage, the investor focuses on the location, property condition, number of units, tenant demand, and future growth potential. A good purchase decision is very important because the buying price affects almost every part of the investment return. Next, the owner estimates the gross income. Gross income means the total rent the property can generate before expenses. For example, if the apartment complex has 100 units and each unit rents for $1,500 per month, then monthly rent is $150,000. Over 12 months, the total rental income becomes $1.8 million per year. The owner may also earn extra income from parking, laundry, storage, late fees, or other tenant services. After that, the owner calculates operating expenses. These are the day-to-day costs needed to run the property. Common expenses include repairs, maintenance, insurance, property management, cleaning, utilities, security, marketing, legal fees, and administration. In many apartment complexes, operating expenses may take around 35% to 55% of gross income. In this example, expenses are assumed to be 45% of $1.8 million, which equals $810,000 per year. Then, the owner calculates net operating income, also called NOI. NOI shows the profit from the property before loan payments and taxes. The formula is gross income minus operating expenses. So, in this example, $1.8 million minus $810,000 gives an NOI of $990,000 per year. This number is very important because it shows how strong the property is as a business before considering financing. Next, the investor accounts for debt service. Debt service means the loan payments made to the bank, including principal and interest. In this example, annual debt service is $600,000. This loan payment affects the investor's real cash flow, but it does not reduce NOI because NOI is calculated before financing costs. After debt service, the owner calculates cash flow. Cash flow is the money left after paying operating expenses and loan payments. The formula is NOI minus debt service. In this example, $990,000 minus $600,000 leaves $390,000 per year in cash flow. This is the money available to the investor before taxes and before any major extra improvements. Then, the owner evaluates the cash-on-cash return. This measures how much cash return the investor receives compared with the actual cash invested. If the investor put $1 million of cash into the deal and the annual cash flow is $390,000, then the cash-on-cash return is 39%. This helps investors compare the apartment complex with other investment opportunities. At the same time, the owner builds equity. Equity increases in two main ways. First, tenants are helping pay down the loan through their rent payments. Second, if the property value goes up over time, the owner gains appreciation. For example, loan paydown plus appreciation may create a $200,000 equity increase in the first year. This means the investor is not only earning cash flow but also building long-term wealth. However, smart owners also plan for reserves and capital expenditures. A property will always need repairs and upgrades, such as roofing, plumbing, appliances, flooring, painting, elevators, parking areas, or common spaces. A typical reserve may be around $250 to $500 per unit per year. Keeping reserves protects the owner from sudden repair costs and helps keep tenants satisfied. Finally, once the property is stable, the owner can repeat and grow. Cash flow can be reinvested, equity can be used for future purchases, and strong management can help scale the portfolio. Over time, owning apartment complexes can create wealth through rental income, loan paydown, property appreciation, and better operating efficiency. So the big picture is simple. Gross income starts at $1.8 million. Then operating expenses of $810,000 are deducted, leaving $990,000 in NOI. After paying $600,000 in debt service, the owner has $390,000 in annual cash flow. When the property is well managed, tenants stay happy, the the building stays healthy, and the owner can build stronger returns over time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.